So I was asked to make a video on how I did my lights. I just bought the cheap kit from Amazon. They come in 6, 8, 4. I got the 8, which has 2 red, 4 ambers, and 2 whites. And the way I do it is I plug it into my receiver first before I run them to see which colors are which. Then I label them so I know which ones are which. Then I drill out the holes for the bulbs until you could squeeze them in there. Don't go too big. And then I run all the wiring. And once I got my bulbs all in there correctly, I just hot glue them in there so they stay in there. And then I just hot glue the wires down so they're not flopping around. Tape them up, zip tie them, whatever you gotta do. And then I just hot glue it all along the edge of the body. And you wanna make sure you have enough wire. So you should be able to close and open it. And where I put the wires right there, because I had it like a little bit back here and it would only open up like this much. And you're still able to take the body off and put it to the side and have enough room to work on it without unplugging it. But it's really easy. And I just plugged it into, I think, channel 3. I haven't figured out how to work to see if it could work with this button here. I don't know how to program that yet. So I could turn it on and turn it off from the remote. I don't know if that's possible. But that's how we got it set up. And we did upgrade to the Hobby Wing, the 1080 G2, 540 30 turn quick run with the stock gearings. I also did upgrade the shocks with the low-C springs, and I took out the internal springs. And I went with 15 weight low-C shock fluid. And the lights do come with these housings. If you like to use them, they'll protect the bulbs. But they just stuck out too far for me. I didn't like the way they stuck out. They're a little big. I think you could find the smaller version. You look them up. I'm not sure what size these are. So once everything is all plugged in, your battery's plugged in. Since I said it's not on the remote, once I turn on my ESC, there we go, lights. There's the lights, fully on. You're good to go.